Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to do picture-in-picture in Blender video editing. So just import videos. I have here two videos, and if I want to do picture-in-picture, just drag the first one over the other one. And now what you have to do is to go to, where is it? Just select the first video. You just need to select the video and then go here to scale, and here you can put it at 0.400 around that, and here 0.400 depends. Now the first video here and the second one, you add the same 0.400, 0.400. Now here we have the second video, as you can see here. Okay. We also change the from here also. Okay. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. That's how you add two videos, picture in picture. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you.